Hi, my name is Randy Flowers, and I would like to welcome you to the AIS Digital Dictionary tutorial video. The purpose of this video is to show you how to access your dictionary and navigate throughout the dictionary. Thank you for your purchase, whether you signed up for an AIS course or if you purchased the dictionary standalone. At any rate, either way, once you sign up for the dictionary, you will receive an email similar to this one. This email is for one of the courses. So we'll go ahead and get started. Don't worry about the details of this particular email. So this is the link that you would click to get to the video. So I'm sorry, to the dictionary. So let's go ahead and click this link. So once we click the link, we get to the Mimeo digital website. From here, because you're new, you will need to sign up for an account. So you will go ahead and click the sign up for account button. Fill out all of this information here and then click submit. Make sure you notate the email and your password so that you can save your credentials for later. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and click already have an account. For you, you'd click submit. Once you click submit, it's going to bring you to this screen, which is the login screen. Once you get to the login screen, it'll be two things will happen. One, your file will already be pre-populated, which will be similar to this right here. These are my files. I have the AIS 15 dictionary along with the AIS 08 dictionary. You would only have one file here unless you purchase both dictionaries. If once you create your account and you do not have a dictionary listed here, you want to click redeem a key. And then you will put your key information here. Now let's go back to the email that was sent. If you need your key, all of these characters that are listed behind the equal sign would be your key for the dictionary. This would be your key. So you would copy and paste this information here. You would copy and paste just these characters into the key section. Right? And once you do that, your dictionary will populate. Now, please note that once you create your account, Mimeo Digital does send you an email to confirm your email address. If you do not respond to that email and confirm your email address, it will lock you out of the dictionary. So make sure you do that. In the event that you do not receive the email, check your spam mail. And if you don't have it in your spam mail and you have trouble accessing your dictionary, please contact AAAM at info@AAAM.org. That's info@AAAM.org. All right. So thank you so much for that part. So let's go ahead and go over the controls for this screen. As I said, these are your dictionaries here. This is your dictionary. So let's go ahead and go over these menu here. We have the library tools, which again is where your dictionary is housed. We have the archive tool, which the archive typically isn't used. It's only if you had some files that will be archived, and the only files you have at this point is your dictionary. So this area is typically not used. Here are your settings. Here in the settings, this houses your data, which is just your name, your email, and your password. If you wanted to change the email that your dictionary is linked to, you can change that here. If you wanted to update your password, you can change that here. And then that pop-up that came here is because you can change the language. So once you click on the language, you can click on the drop-down menu to select the language that you would like your dictionary displayed in. I'm sorry, the language that you would like the menu displayed in. All right, and then the next thing we have is the live support. So if you have any questions in regards to how to get into the dictionary, or if you're having trouble with your dictionary, this would be your best go-to, the live support, because Mimeo will be able to assist you more quickly than any AAAM staff will be able to. They have FAQs, so I suggest you try clicking on the FAQs to see if the topic that you the topic that you have trouble with is here first before reaching out to support. Otherwise, you can click on the support and type in your request. If you see it, it lets you know here how long it'll take for someone to send your reply within that time frame. Okay. The next menu features we have up here. Let's come out of there. The next menu features we have are these two buttons up here. That's just the search functionality. If you're looking for something, you can enter that information here to do your search. And then this is just a view toggle to change the view of your dictionary. All right, so let's actually go inside my dictionary file. So this is my AIS 15 dictionary. So this video can cover the AIS 15 dictionary along with the AIS 08 dictionary. The navigation between both dictionaries is pretty much the same. The only difference is the information that's in the dictionaries that's different. I'm sorry. I'm getting a little jumbled with my words here. The only difference between the functionality there is no difference between the functionality of the AIS 08 and the AIS 15 dictionary. Just the content of the dictionary is different. The most frequently asked questions about the dictionary are, is the dictionary downloadable and is the dictionary printable? In the past, the dictionary was either or, the digital dictionary was either printable or downloadable. We have made the decision to make the dictionary printable and downloadable. So you can print the dictionary. That function is found here. I'm sorry. You can print the dictionary. The function, I'll show you how to do the print function. I'm sorry. But if you wanted to download your dictionary, you can download it here. And as you can see, the dictionary opened up in the PDF down here. Now, please note, to make annotations in the dictionary, you have to do it while it's in the Mimeo website. So if you open up the PDF, you will not be able to make any highlights or annotations in the PDF version, only in your Mimeo digital version. So let's go ahead and go inside the dictionary while it's in Mimeo. Okay, so this is your digital dictionary. This is what it looks like when you open it up in Mimeo. So let's go over the menu functions. The first function we have here is the panel function. So as you can see, once I click on the button, it pulls the panel away. Over here is the menu for the panel. I'm sorry. We have the thumbnail function. Then we have the outline view of the dictionary. For this outline view, it has the actual dictionary, which is 230 pages, including the errata, which is the last page of the dictionary. So if you just wanted to go straight to that, then you can select it from here. We have the personal bookmarks. So any bookmarks that you make inside the dictionary will populate over here as well. And then we have the comment section. So any comments and annotations you make, those will also show up here. And as you can see, I made some annotations, so they're listed here, and we'll go over that later. We'll go over that soon. The next functionality is the view controls. So the view controls pretty much shows you is your view for how you see your dictionary. So you have the way the page transitions, you have the layout of the pages, and then you can rotate your dictionary here. The next functionality is the pointer. You can either select the hand so you can grab and pan, or you can select the pointer so you can point. And then the next features are the zoom out and the zoom in features. You also have this zoom menu here so that you can select however you like to do it from here. These navigation controls take you from page to page. And then here is everyone's favorite part of the dictionary. How to make the annotations, highlights, notes, and things of that nature. Um, so here is your freehand tool. With the freehand tool, if you click the arrow, it'll pull down the menu for you. As you can see, it pre-populates 4 different freehand tools. You can, if you click on the darkened corner here, it'll give you another menu. In this menu, you can select the colors, you can select the opacity of the color, you can select the thickness, and you can just play around with this. So let's just do a little freehand here, just so you can see what the freehand looks like. Just gonna do a little, use this freehand to do a little highlighting. The next tool is the texting tool. And if you click on the drop down menu for this one, you can see it gives you a plethora of things here. So you can play around with those as well. It gives you different lines. Let's click the highlighted corner. You can change the color of this as well. And the same with the shape tool. Here you have your different shapes. And if you click on the darkened corner, again, you get another menu, a sub menu that gives you colors. You can change the thickness and the opacity again. It also has a border color and a fill color. You don't have to select a fill color. You can make it no color at all, or a color. Let's just do an example of one with a border color and a fill color, just so you, I'm sorry, with no fill color, just so you can see what it looks like. It does have a fill color, so as you can see, it has a colored border outline along with it inside. The next functionality is the eraser. This one has a sub menu as well, so you can take the eraser and you can erase whatever it was you did. And when you, as you can see, once you erase it, it removes it from over here in this content as well, from the your annotation list. Well, it would have removed it if I moved it all. The next functionality is the signature feature. This one is the same as the others. You would draw your signature here. You can draw a signature, create it, and place it anywhere in a document that you want. You can make a comment to the signature. You'd make your comment here. And I'm sorry, please excuse my dog in the background. That's the joy of COVID and working from home. We get to stay home with our pets. So please excuse her. So yes, you can make the signature panel. This feature typically isn't used, but again, it's up to you whether or not you want to use it. The next one is the free text. The free text feature is, you can take this and you can put text anywhere you want in the dictionary. You can either start typing your text here, or you can type your text here. Right, so you type your text in. The text functionality has a sub menu, the same as the others, where you can change the color of the text, the thickness of the text size. The next feature is the comment feature. And again, this one too has a sub menu where you can change the color of your comment ticker. So we'll place a comment here, and you can make the notation of your comment over here. This little menu that pops up is so you can either write your comment, change it's just basically another menu, a menu function. the same as the others. So if I wanted to delete my comment, I can delete it here. And the miscellaneous tools are the the call out and the stamp. These two, again, use those as you see fit. The next one is to hide annotations. So you can use this to hide any of the work that you've done. It isn't disappeared, like it isn't gone. It's just hiding it from your view right now if you wanted to hide it. And the next one is the search feature. You can search for either your comments, or you can search for information within the dictionary. And the last feature is whether or not you want to make the menu full screen, or here is where you can also print your documents. You can also click this view multiple to view, if you have more than one dictionary, you can use this to view multiple dictionaries at one time. Okay, so you can select to view multiple dictionaries at one time. It's a pretty good feature. It's a pretty good feature to use if you wanted to do a side-by-side comparison of some codes or things of that nature, if you, again, had both dictionaries. So that pretty much concludes I'm sorry, I didn't go over how to delete some of the information. So if you wanted to, like, say, look for a certain annotation, if you click on it, you can actually, the dictionary will actually take you to that section. You can delete your comments or annotations separate ways. One, by using the eraser as I showed you before, or you can use this feature here to edit or delete a comment. So I'm going to delete this one, and as you can see, it deleted it. So let's go to another annotation. And as you can see, everything you do, it changes here, and it gives you a notification and lets you undo it. Please note that the dictionary is copyrighted materials, so you should not share or redistribute the materials. As you can see, it has watermarks in the back of the document. So once you print it or download it, it will populate with that information to let you know that it is a copyright protected document. As you can see, it is here. That concludes my training for the AIS Digital Dictionary. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, you can reach me at rflowers@AAAM.org or info@AAAM.org. And thank you so much. Have a great day.